Hi guys, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since my last video, but I wanted to share with you some very simple reverse stamping as a last manicure for the summer. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's get started. So first I'm gonna apply my base coat. This is Here to Stay from Essie, and I found out that it's very useful for me to keep the mani last longer. Then I'm gonna apply a base coat of white nail polish just to make the colors that I'm gonna use later pop a little bit. And I'm gonna be using the WhatsApp Nails stamping plate B008 with this watermelon design. So the idea of this technique is that you actually don't need to paint your nails with the design, and it's gonna be super simple to do. So first I'm gonna stamp the first part of the watermelon, and I'm gonna fill it in with this Holo Taco green nail polish, and I'm gonna use the brush that comes with the bottle. So the good thing about this technique is that you don't actually need a dotting tool or a detail brush. You can just use the brush that comes with the bottles. And then I'm gonna fill in the wrist with this holographic pink, and if you have shorter nails you can just fill out a little bit of the stamper, but if you have longer nails you can actually continue and you don't need to paint your nails. This will do it for you. So then I'm gonna let it dry and apply the liquid latex just to avoid the mess when I transfer the design. And when I'm ready, I'm gonna apply the oily bonder. If you don't know about this product, this will return the stickiness to your nails, so the design is gonna transfer a little bit easier. But you need to let it dry for 45 seconds to 1 minute, and then we can do that. So we can stamp the designs, and as you see, your nails are completely painted and you didn't do much. So then we're gonna just cut off the excess. So if you have longer nails, maybe you're gonna need to cut less. And then we're gonna remove the liquid latex and do some cleanup on this nail. So as you see, the technique is super easy. Just to make sure that I had the nail completely covered, I'm gonna apply a second coat over the pink part, but this is not neat. As you see on the other nails, I got complete coverage just with one coat. But if you just want to make the manicure last a little bit longer, I will recommend you use a second coat on top of that. And then I'm gonna stamp the seeds. So you can place this whenever you want. In this case, as I have this kind of almond shape to my nail, so that's what I'm trying to go for. I placed it in this direction, so they will look like a slice of watermelon from upside down. And then to avoid any smudge, I'm going to apply the Apipila Smudge Free Top Coat. This is a new top coat that I'm using now that I'm not supporting Maniology brand anymore. And I found out that is super effective. So I recommend you give it a try. And here, last step as always, just applying cuticle oil to make sure my cuticles are moisturized. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!